So I wanted to visit whether the Hilbert-Bernays paradox is a problem for the way I'm thinking of formalizing numbers and arithmetic. I don't think it is. I don't think it is a problem. Okay, so I don't necessarily agree with this, but let's just take it as it is. So some sentence P is true if P. Okay. If something exists, if A exists, then the sentence A refers to, or the name A refers to A. Okay. If it exists, then that name refers to it. Okay. Consider H as the name of natural numbers. Okay. Now here I have a problem where it says that H is exactly the same as the referent of H plus 1. Because here, the way I'm thinking of it, natural numbers is a set. Being a set, it is simply a collection of features. It is not actually the collection of objects. Okay? It is the collection of features. Those features can refer to this, that's fine, but that doesn't define the set. So I already have a problem here. The set can pick this out, but this, so yeah, I'm not, maybe I just don't accept this part up here. I'm not sure. Anyway, let's carry on. Okay, so a reference of H. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense the way I'm thinking of it, because H is a set. N would be a member of the set, possibly. But that's not a referent of it. The referent of H is just the features, the qualities that identify the set. This is a member of the set, and what that means is that it is something which possesses those qualities and is identifiable as belonging to that category. So it's not a referent of it. Okay. Thus the referent of H exists. Yeah, we already broke down. As does this. Okay, so yeah, we don't have a problem because the way I'm looking at it, the set of numbers, natural numbers, however the hell you want to talk about it, is distinct from its members. The members are not reference of the name. So it doesn't exist. You don't end up with this paradox that one member is identical to a distinctly different member, because there's bullshit that's happening in here that doesn't happen the way that I'm conceiving it. I'm not even sure I can articulate exactly what's going on, but there's definitely something happening here. Though, notably, under a classic definition, the alleged absurdity, I don't view that as an absurdity. I view it as an actually predicted thing of P&O arithmetic, because of how I understand how all the parts go together. So, yeah, I'm having problems with this, kind of on both sides. Like here, under the classical analysis, like P&O arithmetic, 5 is a paradox, but only in the sense that it's something that people generally wouldn't predict, not that it's like a wrong conclusion or a misleading conclusion necessarily, because based on the formal logic that was laid out, it is totally predictable, and I predicted it in a completely different way from this. So yeah, and I am also fairly certain that this does not actually occur under what I'm doing, but I'm going to have to be more rigorous and look into that more thoroughly because I'm getting confused as to what's happening. I'm very, very confident that it doesn't apply, but I need to think through how to say that. How to say exactly why.